our vanilla Coke. That's beautiful. It's Ty driving. He has this vanilla Coke. Tell the story of vanilla Coke. And then I'll tell it. Ty's driving. The story of vanilla Coke originated in 2000 gosh, still hot stuff. 2000 and the time of revenge in Canyon Country. 2002. Summer of 2002. Our parents.
Here, the door is wide open.
Anyway, our parents left us home all summer alone. I was in the 6th grade and Ty was in 4th. And we weren't allowed to leave the house or anything. So what we did was scavenge for quarters under the couches and everything, wherever we could find. And we would get money to get vanilla Cokes from the vending machine. That was our rebellious stage of leaving the house when we weren't supposed to go across the street and get vanilla Coke. And that's the story of vanilla Coke. And now we can't find it anywhere.